One of the new dishes presented here at Heston's Barbecue Lab involves a beautiful burnt ginger and pepper broth. And that broth is served with a piece of cured and hot smoked Huon salmon, done over there. But over here, this is how I make that broth. Gas on high. Using a deep saucepan, place it directly over the solid flat plate. So one fresh, free-range organic chicken, and rinse it with cold water well, inside and out, and pat it dry. That then goes straight into a deep saucepan. 1 tablespoon level of black peppercorns. Cover with cold water. Cold water is best. Don't use hot. Cold water will actually help extract the flavours from that chicken. So we have thickly cut brown onions and about 6 pieces of ginger, 12 centimetres long, same as your hand. So these, no oil at all, just go straight onto the grill. We want these burnt, charred, for that lovely flavour that'll actually go into the stock. Have a look. Sorry about the blower, they're doing some work next door, but that's what we want. We want to get a little bit of that nice char, and we'll turn these several times. The water has warmed up nicely. We will not let that boil, we'll just keep that to a simmer temperature until the chicken reaches 75 degrees C in the core. And just now the ginger is looking really good. Yep, so we've actually nicely burnt the ginger. So the ginger goes in, and then the onions, they go in there as well. The 8-litre saucepan is getting close, but if I want to speed it up, it's a big pot, but this is the Force, and they can easily go under the hood to speed up that process. When the chicken reaches 75 degrees between the thigh joint and the breast, the chicken is perfect and the stock should be amazing. Turn off the gas. Carefully remove the fully cooked chicken. Be careful, it's hot. And immediately wrap that chicken so all the moisture stays in and doesn't evaporate out. Let that cool and then put it in the fridge. Bring that broth over and pour that through a muslin cloth straight into a large saucepan. A little shake. And now the key to this is we'll just put this pot in an ice bath, cool it right down, and then in the fridge so the fats can set, and we can skim it off and use it as a broth. For 300 mils of the burnt ginger broth, add 15 grams of palm sugar, 10 mils of fish sauce, and 5 mils of sesame oil. Now, this amount is enough for 4 main meals. Stir till dissolved and hold that for service. Let's plate up. Huon salmon on the cedar plank, cured with spices and smoked to 46 degrees. Now we add some garden carrots, my organic garden, cucumber, some radishes for a little bit of heat and crunch. Now pour over that just delicious, aromatic, lovely clear broth. Top that with a little Tasmanian salmon caviar. Just like that. And from the garden, I've got some beautiful nasturtiums. And that is one of the dishes served here at Heston's Barbecue Lab. Autumn menu, Huon salmon, cured and smoked with a delicious burnt ginger and pepper broth. Yummo.